What is going on, everyone? This is T-Bone coming at you here again, and I have some more Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack openings. So I stopped my local card shop, and I picked up 5 packs of Battles of Legend Relentless Revenge, and 5 of the Infinity Chasers. So let's not waste any time, let's just get right into it. So let's see. Let's start off with Relentless Revenge here. All right, I believe the secret was in the first spot, so let me just do that here. All right, so starting off, we have what do we got? Pyrex, the Elemental Lord, Altergeist Manifestation. We have Windrose, the Elemental Lord, Born from Draconis. And our secret is Phantom Knight's Fogblade. All right. Starting off not bad. Oh, actually looks really nice as a secret rare. All right. Starting off strong there. Let's do an Infinity Chasers. Let's alternate between them. Now, Infinity Chasers, when I got my box, I got an amazing box. I actually ended up getting Creation. I got Surziel. And I believe the Madame Ver card, I believe her name was, which were apparently all really tough to get. So hopefully we can keep that luck going with these packs here. Starting off, we got Witchcrafter Collaboration. We have Outrigger Extension. Witchcrafter Pottery. A Juragito. And for our secret, we have Infinitrack River Stormer. All right. So let's see what we can get. Battles of Legends again. Secret was on top, so let's move that. Keep that suspenseful. All right, so this one we got Helon the Time Lord. We have Summon Dice. We got a Duelist Alliance. Rathian the Time Lord. What is going on with the lords in this one? And for our secret rare, we got Phantom Knights of Ancient Cloak. That looks pretty nice as a secret also, actually. All right. Infinity Chasers. All right, we got another collaboration. We have Mythical Beast Jackal King. Can't have too many of those after this for this being reprinted here. We have Spin Turn. Looks like it's for Infinitrax, even though it doesn't exactly say it. We have Witchcrafter Shemeta. And our secret is Evil Eye Repose. Man, I love the artworks on these Evil Eye cards. Like, that just looks beautiful. All right. Let's get another Battles of Legend going here. All right, we have Slashdraw. Okay. I'm not going to complain about that one. Let's see, we have World Legacy Discovery. Formage Damage Juggler. Another Time Lord. This one is Mission the Time Lord. And for our secret, we got Flash Charge Dragon. That does look pretty nice also. Let's go back to the Infinity Chasers. Alright, we got Dvorak, King of Heavy Industry. Finitrak Crab Crane. Another Juragido. Evil Eye Confrontation. I don't think I actually got one of those. Might have to double check that. But our secret, it's a spell, and okay, it's the Evil Eye spell card. Evil Eye Domain Pareidolia. Which, again, the artwork just looks beautiful on these. Not going to complain about that. Another Battles of Legend. Ooh, that's secret. Alright, we got Preparation of Rites. I am definitely happy with that one. Definitely a staple for any kind of ritual decks. We have another Summon Dice. Duelist Alliance. Litmus Doom Swordsman. And our secret rare, we have Glorious Numbers. All right. Getting down to the end here now. Still need to pull something really good out of these Infinity Chaser sets, so hopefully we can get something good. Let's see, Marshalling Field. Bound Wand. Infinitrak Drag Shuffle. Arcanite Magician, okay. Not going to complain about that one. And we got Infinitrak Anchor Drill. Okay. Nice. Happy about that one. Definitely don't have one of these. And we're down to our last pack of Battles of Legend. Where's that Cyber Rev system when you need it? I'll even take the Bamboos and Gossip Shadow, too. Let's see. We got, what is it here? Gabrion the Time Lord. Altergeist Manifestation. Cyber Larva. Dark Lord Contact. And we have Card Trooper. Alright, so nothing too crazy out of that set. But now this is the real test. Can we pull a creation? Can we get Serziel? Let's see. Alright, we got another Marshalling Field. Confronting the Sea. Magician's Right Hand. Another Arcanite Magician. Now I have a playset of these. And it looks like it's an effect monster. And another Infinitrak Anchor Drill. Alright, cool. So I got two of those. Definitely awesome. Alright, guys. So, nothing too crazy out of all these sets. But, yeah, I'm not going to complain about the pulls, honestly. Especially since these are all foil card sets. They always do look nice. So, I'm going to see what else I can pick up for you guys. Who knows, I might pick up one of those mystery power cubes that everyone dreads. Another one. Maybe a mystery power box, if I can get one hand on those. See how ripped off we get. So, I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.